Hello everyone, this is Sabihuddin Ahmed Siddiqui and thanks for watching Computer Science O-Level Component 0478 and 2210 Pre-Release Material 2016 Paper 2 Problem Solving and Programming Expected Question Answers Part 2. Now continuing to Task 2. Now we have Task 2 here. You can see that what is about Task 2. Now they are asking you check a customer order for delivery. Now here you have to check the customer order for delivery. That means whatever you have input, you have to check that the input and store the number of sets of each type required for the order. That means how many bags or how many what is the total number of sets to be bought. Let's suppose input and store, then you are just going to store all number of sets of each type required for the order. Let's suppose cement 27, gravel 23, and then let's suppose you have 53 sand sacks and something like that. So now again they are connecting this with task 1. That means use task 1 to check the contents and weight of each sack. That means it is already done. So you will be driving your code or your pseudocode on the basis of task 1. Now contents and to weight of each sack. Now here I am just highlighting this thing again. Let's suppose input and store the number of sacks of each type required for the order. Each type, that means cement, gravel, sand, and that total number of sacks, right? So this is basically what you have already done to validate in task 1, that the contents and their weights of each sack you have already tracked. Now ensure that the delivery contains the correct number and type. Correct number and type, that means correct delivery contains the correct number and type. Correct number and type, that means what was required. That means how many bags. Let's suppose if it is a cement bag or cement sack or gravel sack or sand sack, so you have to identify, and the order must identify this thing. Now ensure that the delivery contains the correct number and type of sacks for the order. So your order will be based on these things, and the validation will be applied by task 1. So you will be ensuring that whatever you have tested and validated in task 1, this will be referencing here in task 2. So this coming to the next line, output the total weight of the order. That means total weight, what was the total number of bags. So when you will calculate, you will be multiplying total number of each sacks with the weight of, let's suppose, cement or gravel or sand. So when you will multiply, you will get the total weight. So here they are just highlighting total weight. So total weight means you will be calculating the total weight in this way, that you have to calculate each weight separately. Now coming on to the second line, that is output the number of sacks rejected, and here you will have to reject the number of sacks being rejected from the order. Let's suppose if the order was not according to the correct weight, so the order must be rejected. So this way you have to calculate for task 2, and the task 2 will carry forward to task 3. Now in task 2 you have seen that it is based on task 2, where you will be verifying and validating the input at entry point, and then you will be producing and storing the weight on basis on number of sacks and categorized by the content type. Now, and you are just outputting the total weight and order, and you are just also showing the how many orders were rejected. So this is based on task 1. So now you keeping mind that you have to drive the task 2 based on task 1. So I hope you will understand this, and thanks for watching.